Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that can you upload full Instagram reel on story. If you're using Instagram and now you want to upload any full reel as your own story, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Instagram app and here go for reel section and select the reel which you want to share as your own story. Once you have selected, simply tap on this share option from here and here you have to select add to story option. Once you have selected, so it will trim your reel for up to 50 seconds. So it means that you can't upload your full reel as your Instagram story. But if you want to do that, you have to download the reel first. So you have to simply open your Instagram app again and here select the reel, then tap on the share option here, then select the copy link. Once you have copied the link, you have to open up your browser or you can easily install the application, but I'm going to use my browser here and here you have to search for save install. You can get the application, but I'm going to use this website. Simply tap on search and here you will get the website. Simply open the first website from here and here you have to paste your copied URL or link. Simply tap on paste, then tap on this download option. Once you have that, it will prepare or your video for downloading. Once you get the video here, you have to select download video option. It will start downloading. Just tap on download option and here you can see that download has been successfully completed. Once you have downloaded, you have to open your Instagram app again and here tap on this add your story or plus story option, then select add your story. And here you have to select the downloaded reel which you have just downloaded. And here you have to look for your downloaded video or photo which you want. Just once you have selected, simply tap on the share story option and it will send your own story. So in this way you can easily upload full Instagram reel as your own story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.